Alaska pounced on an import-less NLEX, rolling to an 86-67 victory on Friday to stay undefeated in tune-up games ahead of the opening of the PBA Commissioner's Cup. Facing a Road Warriors side still waiting for the arrival of replacement import Adrian Frobes, the Aces built an early lead before pulling away late to complete a hat-trick of wins in exhibition matches after beating TNT KaTropa and Ginebra last time. Tony Campbell continued to make up for his lack of a finishing touch around the basket with his outside shooting as he led the Aces with 33 points, while Simon Enciso sustained his nifty pre-conference play by adding 14 markers. Campbell started and finished strong with 10 points in the opening period and 9 points in the final frame, where the Aces outscored the Road Warriors 24-12 to break away. Veterans Cyrus, Baguio and Larry Fonacier did the work early to lead the Road Warriors with 11 points apiece, while Kiefer Ravena added 8 points in a losing effort. The scores: Alaska 86, Campbell 33, Enciso 14, Manuel 8, Abwave of 7, Andrade 7, Maggot 4, Rackle 4, Casio 3, Cruz 2, Galigas 2, Tang 2, Banchero 0, Thos. NLEX 67, Baguio 11, Fonacier 11, Ravena 8, Buena 6, Talava 6, Malari 5, Miranda 5, Soyad 4, Gotladera 3, Rios 3, Monfort 2, Kyongsan 2, Batino 1, Island 0. Quarter scores: 23-19, 39-39, 62-55, 86-67.